Welcome to WEFILL Tech. WEFILL is a technology-driven company dedicated to providing innovative, efficient, and environmentally friendly packaging and dispensing solutions for the global adhesives industry. Our mission is simple: to solve challenges in adhesive packaging and application while making adhesive use more convenient, sustainable, and productive. At WEFILL, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. We continuously invest in research and development, creating new technologies, developing advanced products, and improving existing solutions to meet the evolving needs of customers around the world. Our core products include adhesive dispensing machines, filling machines, and fluid handling equipment. To date, WEFILL has developed more than 100 dispensing system models, ranging from manual units to advanced semi-automatic and fully automatic production systems. With over 15 years of expertise in fluid control technology, WEFILL delivers innovative adhesive packaging and dispensing solutions worldwide. Supported by a skilled engineering team and precision manufacturing, we help customers improve efficiency, reduce costs, and achieve sustainable growth. Our products include adhesive cartridges, mixing tubes, dispensing guns, valves, pressure tanks, and dispensing accessories, serving industries such as electronics, medical manufacturing, construction, automotive, and packaging. Consistency, stability, reliability. WEFILL Tech, your trusted partner in adhesive packaging and dispensing solutions.